Welcome back to Right Teacher. In the previous video, we have learned 13 and 19 table. Today, we are going to learn 17 table. So, for 17 multiplication table, you have to identify the digits which are less than 7. So, the digits which are less than 7 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, only these places we have to skip the number. So, let's start placing digits here with 1. So 1 and 7 together it makes 17. So next 2. Is it correct? No, it is not, because 4 is less than 7, so we should skip the number there. So it is 3. Then it is again 5, we have to skip since digit is less than 7. Then we should not skip because it is not less than 7. 8 is not less than 7, so we should not skip. After 5, we should take 6. Then again we need to skip 8. Then skip 10. Then we should not skip. It's 11 after 10. It is 11. Then again skip because the digit 6 is less than 7. So here we need to skip 11. Then skip. Then you are placing 13, then skip again, it is 15, then finally we need to skip, that is 17. So now we have completed with 17 table. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85, 17 sixes are 102, 17 sevens are 119, 17 eights are 136, 17 nines are 153 and 17 tens are 170. Isn't it simple? Yes. This is not the only table that we can learn here. We can also learn other tables like 12, 14, 16 and 18. So let me teach you that also. So now for odd number table we use all these digits, but for even number table we only use 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me teach you how it is to be done. For any even number table we use only 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So let me close other digits which are not required. So 1 is closed because it is not required. And then close 3. Let us close 5. All these are odd numbers, and odd numbers are not required for even number table. So let me remove, it is 9 and 7. Okay, now you can just observe these are the digits which are used for even number table. We have to use the same method that 12 starts from here, 2 table starts from here. Only we have to follow the direction. So which direction that we have to follow is this. This is the direction, diagonal. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So once you start here, the same direction to be followed for the next row. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then finally 0. So but here we only get till 5s are. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 4s are and 5s are. So it repeats 2 times in even number table. So 2 6s are, 7s are, 8s are, 9s are and 10s are. So last digit will remain same for the next half. So let us start placing it. As we know, the digits which are less than 2 is only 1, that is 0. So let me first start with 1. 1. So we have to only skip at 0, not anywhere else. So 1, 2, then 3, 4. And then comes 6, because here we need to skip. So here 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Now comes the second round. We are using the same digit, so I'm just going to place above it. So after 6, the next number is 7. So I'm going to place it above this, that is 7. Then 8, no skipping over here because it is not less than 2. Then 9, then 10, Here we need to skip. It is 12. Now it is already till 5s are I just told you. Now it is from 6s are. 2 6s are 72. 2 7s are 84. 2 8s are 96. 2 9s are 108. 2 10s are 120. Isn't it simple? So you can learn any table using this box. That is the magic box. So follow this to teach your child, and really your kids will enjoy learning tables. Next, let us learn 14 table. So for 14 table, we have to follow this direction. So for 12, we followed this direction. Now 14, we follow this direction. That is 4, 8, 2, 6. Once you start with 4, it is going in this direction. The same direction to be followed in the next row also. So then finally 0. So again, as we saw in 12 table, for 14 table also we use only these 5 digits, and these 5 digits repeats 2 times. So which are the digits which are less than 4? Only 2 and 0. So only we have to skip when 2 and 0 comes. So let's start placing the digits. That is 1, 2. Now we need to skip because it is less than 4. 42 and 5. Then we need to skip. It is 70. Now we have finished till 5s are, that is 14 5s are. So let us read it. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 70. Now to continue, we have to place the next digit after 7. It is 8. So let me place 8 here. Then 9. Then we need to skip. It is 11. Then 12. Then comes 14. We need to skip here. So we have finished with 14 table. Now 14 6 are 84. 14 7s are 98. 14 8s are 112. 14 9s are 126. 14 10s are 140. So we have finished with 14 table. Now let's continue with 16 table. Now let's start with 16 table. The direction is 6, 2, 8, 4 and then 0. So we are following this direction, that is 6, 2. We have to follow the same direction for the next row, that is 8, 4 and 0. So let's start placing the digits. Before that, you should know the digits which are less than 6. Which are the digits less than 6? That is 4, 2 and 0. So we have to only skip these places. So let us start. 1, skip. 3, then 4, skip. 6 and then skip 8. So now we have done till 5s are. That is 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80. Now let's start continuing with the number, that is after 8 it is 9. So let us place 9. Then it is 11. We have to skip 10. Then it is 12. Then skip 14. Then skip 16. Now we have done with 16 table. 16 6 are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. That's it. Isn't it easy now? So the final one is 18 table. Let's learn 18 table. For 18 table, what we do is we follow this path. That is 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So now you have to follow the same idea. That is, the numbers which are less than 8 are 6, 4, 2 and 0. So only those places we have to place the skip numbers. So let me start placing first number, that is 1. Then we need to skip everywhere except at 8. 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we have completed till 5s are 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 fours are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90. Next we'll continue from 6 are. So after 9 it is 10. Then keep skipping 12, 14 and 16 and 18. We are skipping everywhere except at here this place we skipped everywhere. So 14 6s are 108, 14 7s are 126, 14 8s are 144, 14 9s are 162, 14 10s are 180. That's it. So we have finished 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18 and 19 table. So only for 5 table we are going to use zeros and fives only. So concept is same everywhere, but only the last digits will be 0 and 5. So let us learn that in the next video.